Alright, we're back. Jasmine Father Garage. This is the SH Prelude. Finally, we got the head back in. New gaskets, head gaskets, valve stem seals, gapping the valves, all the valves. So, got all the timing belt in there. I rotate this many times. There's no belt walk or anything, so it's all good. Battery has been dead many weeks, so I got another vehicle here. Jump right in there. The battery, we got 12 volts, and the throttle plate is wide open. You got the combination wrench there. So I'm doing the final result on the compression test, so to see what this thing puts out. Gonna set this up. We'll do the cylinder number one. All right, cylinder number one. Let's pressurize this. Well, that's pretty good actually. Actually, this is the wet test. Okay, I put oil in the cylinder, and it would seal better, especially the O-rings on the piston. So that's pretty good. Like 230 psi. Let's do the number two cylinder. All right, we got the number two pressure gauge on that cylinder. Let's crank her up. Well, I guess that's okay. What is that? 165 psi. 60, 65, 70. Yeah, 165. All right, number three cylinder. Let's give this a try. All right, 180 on that one. 180. That's pretty good. All right, this is the last one. Cylinder number four.
What are you getting? $190.
That's good. Yeah, 190. It's not bad. Okay, so after all that tests, 190, 180, 165, and 230 is this one. Like, that's crazy, ridiculous. 230 on a wet test. So it's one of those things that you have option here. Should I continue, put everything back together, or should I take out the head and lap the gaps again, grind the gaps again, the valves I mean, or it could be the piston, who knows, you know, the piston rings. I really don't want to do it again. And this engine is a SH, so it's pretty rare to find SH engine block. The head is the same thing as the SE model, like the base model. The head, the block is has to be SH. So I think I should just leave it how it is and just continue, keep going, put everything back, the harness, vacuum lines, manifolds, fuel, the timing cover. So yeah, it's not like a race car, you know. It just needs to go plan A and to plan B. That's it, A to B. So I think we're just gonna, I guess we're just gonna have to send it. It's not gonna blow up or anything. So yeah, continue. The next step would be putting everything back. Thanks for watching, guys.